So this is the part number, in case anyone else is interested. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Comes with the gasket. This is the seal that usually cracks, and this is why you smell gas. Here is the check valve. Of course, having issues opening it. This is what it looks like. So usually the top of this, there's usually a little crack around it. That's another reason why you smell gas. But yeah, this is it. This is what we're going to be replacing. Alright guys, back with the goodies. Got some drill bits, some tape, some tin shears. The first step, obviously, take out the seat. Alright guys, I had to get a different view so you guys can actually see. This is the passenger side of the rear seat. You're on the passenger side, there's going to be a little panel right here. You'll see. We're going to start masking it off. Let me take my gloves off. It's kind of like a triangle, I would say. We're going to go to the highest point. You'll see these little kind of like lines that go up. Try to, you know, mask it off towards flush with the lines, so you're not cutting through that. It'll just be a nice, easy cut.
And go down. Same with this side. Okay. Alright.
Grab my drill. I'm going with a smaller drill bit right now. Two different sizes. We'll do this one last though. Alright, so when you're drilling this, try not to put so much pressure down, because this is actually pretty thin metal. And you can pierce your gas tank, and you know that's obviously going to cause more issues for you. So let the gun do its work. Bigger drill bit. Alright. Bought some Harbor Freight snips, metal shears, whatever the fuck you want to call them. So what you're gonna do is put your metal shear inside the hole. Kind of like work your way up. It's kind of tough, but try to stay as straight as possible.
Be careful, because there's gas lines right there.
And there it is, guys. That's what we're going to be changing today. Alright, so grab yourself a 8mm socket.
Alright, screw.
telling you right now, probably want to get some gloves, because all this is sharp, and obviously you don't want to cut your hands up. I don't, at least. Don't try to drop them inside the tank, because fishing them out is going to be pretty tough. If you can't get to these bolts back here, you can always use an extended 8mm too. That always works. As I made this cut, once I opened it all the way up, you can for sure smell strong fumes of gas. So, pretty sure this is the reason why I have a check engine light right now. Now, you have to use a flathead, you know. This clamp right here needs to be flipped so it's facing you, so you can actually get something on there. So I don't know if you guys see it right there. You could just turn it. Turning it, don't clamp back. Use a flathead to push the hose right back. That simple. Grooves. Pretty much what you have to do is pry each side from the lip so it expands the clip and you push it out. Alright, so once you pop the clips, literally push the hose back. So once you take this off, to pop it off, comes out just like so. Alright, so I don't know if you have a shop vac or anything, but got a little messy, and I don't want all that dirt, you know, to go back in the gas tank or anything. So if you do have a shop vac,
No.
alright, so if you don't have a shop vac, just try not to get dirt inside of there. I guess a little dirt won't hurt, right? Alright, so what I did is I put some of the bolts in there just to hold everything in place, you know. It's a lot easier to put the hoses back on. The one with the clip, what I did is I went behind and literally just pried it forward towards the actual piece, you know, and then it clipped right on. This one, use your needle nose pliers to pull the clip forward to lock everything in place. Alright, so now I'm just gonna fold this back, I don't know, as best as you can. Straighten it out. You should actually grab a hammer now. Kind of hit out the edges because they're kind of sharp, sticking up. Hit wherever needs, you know, to be folded. Fill in the lines. We're gonna come over and fill it in with silicone and wait for that to dry. I'm gonna lay some of this down. This is actual, it's called foil tape. Lay nice layers right across. Alright, so this is what you're left with now. Don't look that bad. I mean, it's whatever. You're not gonna see it. I would say let the silicone dry for at least like an hour or two. Put the foil paper right over it.